For today's video, as you can see, there is a ladder there because I have the small ladder, which even if I use the small ladder, I cannot reach the top thing that has all the spices. Yan. Muntik na akong lumampas. Lampas na ako sa cabinet. Ayan. For today's, I am preparing dinner like a roast pork hip. Yan ang aking lulutuin today's video. Kasi ano lang, you only need two kind of spices. Na ginamit ko. Basta merong seasoned salts, it's fine. At nang maluto ay napakasarap, sadyang napakalambot. Talagang makakalimutan mo. So we're ready for this. I'm going to cook the roast pork in crock pot with only this pork and this one. 2 ingredients only. This is the salted seasoned salt only. So we place this one here. This has been brined for 2 hours. I like brining the meat because it makes it not a little bit tender and dry, not dry, and you just have to and you cook it for 6 to 8 hours. That's it. You can eat it either with rice or potato or any size that you want. So that's it. So let's see what happened later after 6 hours. And I was thinking I'm gonna add my favorite spices. So I have here the Montreal. That's it. See how beautiful it is. Cover it and cook it for 6 to 8 hours. Katagal. Naubos na ang kuryente o gasol sadyang napakatagal pero napakasarap naman at napakalambot